Are you serious? Are you serious, folks? Quick update. The FEMA has just released an emergency alert system test due tomorrow at 2:20 p.m. Eastern. It's going to be first time ever. It's a EAS emergency alert system directly sent to you from the President of the United States, if he so chooses to use it. This is an upcoming IPAWS national test. IPAWS will hold a national test of the Emergency Alert System, EAS, tomorrow at 2:20 p.m. Eastern. Wait till you hear what I'm going to read here for you, what this means. Oh, by the way, quickly, tomorrow's live broadcast will start an hour early as we're on the road traveling, and I'll be starting at 11 a.m. That's 11 a.m. tomorrow morning, and we'll be going till 1 p.m. So you don't want to be late for that. Don't be late. So I'm giving you a heads up. We're starting 1 hour early tomorrow. Let other people know on your Facebook page. Here's what the EAS Emergency Alert System means. This section contains information on the Emergency Alert System, EAS Resilient Form of Emergency Alert Notification, and the National EAS Test that was designed to access the President's ability to send a message to the American people within 10 minutes of a disaster. This is the first time it's ever been tested. Tomorrow, the President of the United States, if he decides he personally wants to send a message to every American within 10 minutes of a disaster, he has now a new mechanism to use, a system, an EAS, Emergency Alert System. The IPAWS National Test of the Emergency Alert System is scheduled for tomorrow, September 28, 2016, at 2:20 p.m. Eastern. FEMA's IPAWS will hold a national test of the Emergency Alert System tomorrow at 2:20 p.m. Eastern. The National Periodic Test Code, or NPT, which is used to distribute the national test, is similar to the regular monthly test code that generates a brief EAS message on radio, television, and cable indicating a test of the EAS is in process and in progress. The NPT test code will be sent from FEMA's alerting infrastructure known as IPAWS and relayed through all aspects of EAS. The text message will be the same as a typical EAS text message, with one exception. The word national will be added to the test message. The goal of the mandatory test is to access the operational readiness and effectiveness of IPAWS infrastructure for distribution of a national level message to the public from the President of the United States. A second goal is to implement a standard method for regular alert and warning tests which help to improve the national preparedness posture. The test is expected to have limited impact on the public, with only minor disruptions of radio and television programs. Only the EAS will be tested in this nationwide test. Cell phones and other FEMA alerting capabilities will not be tested during this event, but it is accessible if the President of the United States was to declare, let's say, martial law on the entire nation. He could use this system to do it. Or declare an incoming asteroid, 10-minute heads up and warning. He could use this EAS system. Or declare we're under attack, a war, or a nuclear missile is headed this way, or anything. I mean, if he needed anything. So this is an access for the President. Suspend the election, anything, okay? I mean, I'm just saying, this is his mechanism for the President of the United States to have access to the public directly. he can use the EAS emergency system. All right? And so in an event of an unforeseen circumstance, such as a major weather event, the backup date for IPAW's national test will be again on Wednesday, October 5th at 2:20 p.m. Eastern. But it should, all systems are go. It should take place tomorrow. So kind of keep your eyes open for this. See what this, how this works, and see how this operates. All right. And tomorrow I'll see you at 11 p.m. Eastern at my website at www.paulbegleyprophecy.com. We'll go live at 11 a.m. Eastern. We're starting an hour early just tomorrow as we're traveling, headed for Lexington, Kentucky tomorrow night for the Lexington Coffee, and then this weekend, Knoxville, Tennessee for the Hear the Watchman Conference in Knoxville, Tennessee. You can check out that at the www.hearthewatchman.org and get your tickets and be there for this weekend. It'd be great. God bless all of you. We love you. We'll see you tomorrow at 11 o'clock. Are you serious? Are you serious?